2019, Evelyn Boswell was a bright, growing little girl, full of life, healthy, learning to walk, learning to talk, doing all the things that a 12-month-old child would do. Her life was violently ripped away from her. During this trial, you will learn that the one person, Evelyn's mother, Megan Boswell, who was entrusted more than anyone else to take care of her, that she failed her in the worst possible way. And you're going to hear from many witnesses who saw Evelyn frequently, saw her all the time, family members, Megan Boswell's friends, that all of a sudden are like, where's Evelyn? Where's Evelyn? We're not seeing. They're concerned. And they would ask Megan Boswell about it, and every time Megan had an answer. Megan concocted a story from early December of 2019 until later when her body was found. Evelyn was always in the same place. And Megan Boswell knew that. Megan Boswell knew that because she is the one that put Evelyn there. She placed Evelyn's body in a kitchen trash can. She hid that trash can in her own childhood playhouse on her father's property. The playhouse that you will see no one has been in for a very long time. And you're going to hear that Evelyn was put into the trash can upside down. It's the best way to describe it. Head down in a bag of trash filled with food debris, broken eggs. Her body just placed in there by the defendant.
The state's theory is reasonable doubt in and of itself. They don't know what happened. They don't know how that child died, and they can't prove how that child died. But then again, the state says Megan's guilty of use of the courts. Those theories are not consistent. Did she lie to the police? She absolutely lied to the police. She doesn't want to get in trouble. It doesn't mean she murdered her child. It doesn't mean she killed her child. Your job here today is to decide whether Megan's actions are criminal, whether they're not criminal. Conducted an interview of Megan on February 25th of 2000.
Yes, sir. Myself and Detective Licklider from the Sheriff's Department.
Megan, you've lied to us for 6 days now. I need you to be truthful with me today.
I am being truthful.
No, just hear me out, okay? I need you to be truthful with me today. We're getting there. We need her brought home. She don't need to be laying out in the woods in the cold anymore. Please. Tell us where she's at.
I don't know for sure. I really don't. I don't want to know.
I think you do, Maggie. I think you're scared to tell us.
Did you see Megan after Christmas?
Just here or there, not that much.
Here or there, okay. Did you see Evelyn?
No, last time I seen Evelyn was on Thanksgiving.
Did you ever, in those times that you saw Megan after Christmas, did you ever ask her, hey?
Yes, I asked her numerous times.
And what did she tell you?
She kept coming up with different stories and different lies. First, it was Ethan had her. First, let me back up, I'm sorry. Hunter's mom was watching her. And then she come off with Ethan had her. And after it went on for a while, I said, I'm gonna do something about this. Well, she told me that Ethan wouldn't give her back. I said, hey, let's go get an attorney. I said, he can see his daughter, but I said, he's not taking her.
What did she say when you told her that?
I can't remember exact words. She said, Dad, give me a day or two or something. She stalked her or something. And it just lie after lie.
At some point, did you make an ultimatum to Megan about seeing your granddaughter?
Yeah, I told her and I told her mom. I said, come high hell water. I said, I'm gonna get on the phone. I said, I'm gonna find my granddaughter. I said, I don't care what I got to do. I said, I wanna know what's going on. I said, enough's enough. And that's when I got on the phone and made the phone call.
back on February 18th, 2020, did you get a referral that was made on a 15-month-old child by the name of Evelyn Boswell?
Yes. The allegations that came into the report that day state a lack of supervision and physical abuse.
Did you ask Ms. Boswell where Evelyn was at that particular time?
I did. Megan informed myself and Detective Tracy Rez that Evelyn was with Ethan Perry.
Did you know who Ethan Perry was at that time?
At that time, it come to my knowledge that he was the alleged father of Evelyn Boswell. After we spoke with Megan Boswell, we had received information of the address of Ethan Perry, where he would maybe be staying, and so Detective Faraz and I proceeded to go to the home of his address. Ethan was not there. We had spoke to his parents and tried to inquire more information to the whereabouts of Evelyn Boswell.
Did you find Evelyn there?
No. From there, after we spoke to Ethan's parents, we proceeded to go back to the Sullivan County Sheriff's Office, where we met with Megan Boswell to talk to her more.
Ethan doesn't have her. You don't have her. Where did this baby go?
I don't know.